In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Asana from scratch. Let's get you from a blank slate to a working project. First, head to Asana's login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. Select the Google account you want to use, then follow any prompts you see. If you're asked to confirm permissions or complete verification, go ahead and do that so Asana can open your workspace. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the Quick Add button. It's the plus icon that lets you create things from anywhere. Click it, then choose Project. This is where your work will live, so it's worth getting the setup right. You'll see options to start with a pre-built workflow or begin from scratch. Templates are great if you want proven structure without reinventing the wheel, so that's what we'll use in this example. Browse the templates and preview one that suits your use case. The preview shows the sections and example tasks you'll get, which helps you confirm it fits your process. Next, give your project a clear, descriptive name. Think about what will make it instantly recognizable for your team, like the initiative, client, or time frame. Below the name, check your privacy settings. Decide whether this project should be visible to your entire team or kept private until it's ready to share. If you're part of multiple organizations or workspaces, make sure you select the correct one here so your project lands in the right place. When everything looks good, click Create Project. Asana will spin up the project and load any sections and sample tasks included in the template. Give it a moment to finish preparing the workspace. Now you can start adding your own tasks. Use the Add Task field to capture work, one item per task, and assign each task to the right teammate so responsibility is clear. Add due dates to keep timelines on track and include details or links in the task description so no one needs to hunt for context. If the template includes sections, drop tasks into the appropriate sections to keep things organized from day one. To manage your work visually, try switching views. List view is great for detailed editing and scanning. Board view turns your project into columns you can drag tasks across as they move from to do to done. Calendar view helps you see workload and deadlines at a glance, which is especially useful for planning sprints, campaigns, or events. And that's your Asana setup from scratch. Log in, create a project via the Quick Add menu, choose a template, name it, set privacy and workspace, create the project, and begin assigning and scheduling tasks while using board and calendar views to keep everything moving.